Hey everyone, welcome back to Jam Garden. Let's keep going and check out more of our outdoor carnivorous plants.
This next area gets almost full sun.
We grow Venus flytraps and Sarracenia here. They really need a lot of sunlight.
In this black tray, we've got about 7 or 8 different types of Venus flytraps. Honestly, we can't really tell which one is which. Can you name any of them?
These ones are green on the outside and red inside. You divided them from one big pot a while ago, right?
Yeah, we bought that pot at a night market for $20 about half a year ago. And these ones with green traps all came from a tiny pot we bought 2 years ago.
They don't look really happy though.
Yeah, they used a lot of energy flowering and setting seeds, and then they were hit by the hailstorm.
But I can see new growth, so hopefully they'll recover soon.
Over here are some low-growing Sarracenia varieties. We don't really know their names. If you recognize any, please tell us in the comments.
Oh, I know this one, Sarracenia cytacina. It can catch small fish near water, right?
That's what people say.
These are tall-growing Sarracenia. The green ones at the back are flava, and this is a Sarracenia minor hybrid.
And these are Leucophylla. After waking up from dormancy, some of them flowered, and we did some random pollination. Now the seed pods look nice and full, so it probably worked. We'll collect the seeds later.
Did you put some last year's seeds in the fridge?
That's right. I sowed them about 6 months ago, and now they already have tiny peaches.
Oh yes, they are in the pot shown in the last video, together with the pygmy sundews.
And that's it for the full sun carnivorous plants. The bench on the right side is usually covered with 70% shade cloth. This section is for Nepenthes we bought recently. Most of them have only made one new peach since arriving.
This is currently our only dark-colored Nepenthes, Lingulata cross truncata. Look at that glossy lip, the little tongue on the lid, and the velvety peach body. So elegant.
Next to it is Naga Bongso cross truncata. The grower said this is the variety that can grow the biggest peaches in his collection.
For such a young rooted cutting to make a picture like this, yeah, I think we can definitely look forward to huge peaches later.
This one is Ventricosa sinuensis cross Edwardsiana. Those red teeth really shine in the sun. Hard to miss.
This is Lovi cross truncata. Such a big mouth. I just want to feed it every time I see it.
This one is Thorelia cross Edwardsiana. I noticed that it grows faster than most other Edwardsiana hybrids.
Hey, looks like one piece is missing here on the lip.
Yeah, it's kind of funny.
This is our truncata cross Ivy piata. It looks a bit stressed.
I think it's also from the hailstorm damage. It hasn't been on this bench for long, so it still needs time to recover.
This is truncata cross maxima, our first truncata hybrid. Compared to the others, it looks a bit plain.
But judging from the pitcher to leaf ratio, the pitcher should grow pretty large later on.
The following ones all have VGI genetics, right?
Yes, all made by Exotica plants. This one is a complex hybrid.
This is truncata Ivy piata cross VGI. That golden lip looks nice.
This one with big red lip is LVB VMV. It actually looked better before it turned this red. And finally, this one had no peaches when we bought it. The idea was impressive, so we got it anyway.
And that's it for our 2025 outdoor carnivorous plant backyard tour. Thank you so much for supporting us this past year.
Your support really encouraged us to keep growing these plants.
Follow us and let's keep growing plants together.